हाय। आज एक क्वेश्चन था स्टूडेंट्स का कि सर मैं एक्सपोर्ट करता हूँ, इम्पोर्टर्स नंबर 1 और माल निकल गया, इट इज़ ऑन द वे बट डॉक्यूमेंट प्रेजेंट हुआ, पार्टी पेमेंट नहीं करती है, व्हाट शैल आई डू? एक तरीका ये है कि यू कैन ब्रिंग इट बैक टू इंडिया, और दूसरा तरीका ये है कि अगर उसी कंट्री में आपका कोई दूसरा कॉन्टैक्ट है और इज इंटरेस्टेड बाय द गुड्स, so what we do, we make all the documents in importers number 2 like invoice, packing lead, certificate origin, okay, bills of exchange. BL is already given by the shipping company, cannot be changed. So in a case of such circumstances, normally the exporters, when the payment is not received, exporters in a bills of lading is a transport receipt issued by the shipping company. I would prefer to write to order in consigning column instead of writing the party's name. When you write to order in a bills of lading, it's, I would say, like a barrel check. Whoever present a bill of lading, he can get the delivery of the goods. But in case in bills of lading party name is given like importers number 1, it will be delivered to him only. I would say it's a straight BL. You cannot change the party. So that's the reason, in case party doesn't make the payment, it is a normal practice that we make to order. Straight BL will prepare when we got entire money, full money in advance. And after I'm shipping the goods, I'm not worrying about the payment, so I make it like a straight BL. But otherwise, when it comes to documents against payments or document against acceptance, we make to order in consigning column. Again, to order means no specific buyer in my mind. Whoever present the bill of lading, he can take the delivery of the goods. Or if I made consignee as an importer number 1, it's a straight BL, he can only take the delivery of the goods. So this is what, when the goods are shipped and you want to change the consignee, it is possible. Only thing, one document you require to write in a bill of lading, consignee to order. Thanks.